All right. I just got the new Stage 3 clutch, Stage 3 daily DXD clutch installed. And I'm experiencing like a rattle chatter type of sound. Not when I'm stopped, or I don't think when the clutch is engaged. But it just doesn't sound right, and I'm gonna try and see if we can duplicate it right now. So this is from a cold start. Let's see what it sounds like. So right now, nothing. You don't even hear that chatter. You hear that chatter that the dude was talking about on Tree Hugger's thread, where he walked outside of his GTI, and it was making like a tick 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 tick. It's not that. Alright, let's see what we get here. There it is. I don't know if that's the intake. You hear that? That. Ooh, we're in a stop sign. You hear that? Right there. That noise. That is the noise that I am worried about, ladies and gentlemen. Let's listen again. In second right now. And then it goes away once I hit about 2,000 RPMs. Let's go again. Let's see if we can stop. And then it starts again when I go and stop. Kind of hear it. Now it goes away. Now it comes back. Now it goes away. I don't know what that is. So, I don't know if that is the intake sucking in air because of the new intercooler, or discharging, or it sounds like it could be the turbo. So it starts when I accelerate just a little bit, stops when I accelerate more. not even a rattle or a tick tick tick. It's like sounds like I don't know if something's grinding or what the fuck it is. It's pissing me off though. Bullshit camera work here. I'm using my cell phone. I just got in an accident with that guy. Now listen. Right there. In the third. Right there again. In the fourth. A little bit more faint in fourth. Cruise control, huh? I'm not sure if this is if it's because I fucked with the joint right here when you go and switch between stages or tunes. I did get it reflashed to stage 2 plus. But I assume that'll just be the same thing as selecting regular stage 2 when you're cycling through the programs. But I apologize for the crazy ass 7-minute video here, or 8-minute video here. I was, however, unaware that there is a break-in period for the clutch. About 750 miles is what my mechanic told me, but he was a little fucking hammered tonight and said that he was lost in the parking lot of a grocery store and started sending me random shit from fucking Top Gun. So that was a little interesting. But here's the noise one last time. Said there was the clutch hydraulic the clutch hydraulic hose or something like that is rattling off of the chassis leg. It sounds sort of like a rattle like that, or a knocking, or something, or not like a knocking, but more of like a little metal tube knocking off some plastic real quick. In second gear, and then I let off the gas at about 3,000 RPMs, and it creates a noise. Watch. It does sound like something's rattling against something. And then it immediately stops if I press the clutch in. I don't know. I'm gonna have to take boys and see what's going on. But if anybody's got any input, it'd be greatly helpful. Thanks, and peace out.